Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove a bank account from Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Cash App on your phone. On the main screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down a bit and look for Linked Banks under the Account and Settings section, then tap on it. This will show you all the bank accounts and cards that you have linked to your Cash App. Next, find the bank account that you want to remove and tap on it. A menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. If you want to replace this bank with a new one, you can select Replace Bank. This option will guide you through linking a new bank account, and the old one will automatically be replaced. If you only want to remove the account completely, select Remove Bank at the bottom. Once you confirm, the linked bank account will be removed from your Cash App. So that's basically how you can remove a bank account from Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.